rock, whoa, fill it to the top, whoa. Getting bent 7 days a week, that's a lot, whoa. New chain, that's a lot, whoa. Too drippy, get the mop, whoa. Counting money, bloopers only, just know that's a lot, whoa.
Skxppy.
Yo, what's good? If you don't know, I'm Skxppy, and welcome back to another video. Word. Alright, I ain't gonna hold you. Somebody put me on the spot this week. They called me out. They said my hi-hats is trash. Matter of fact, what's this nigga name? Oh, Hyperclan 1598. My boy said my hi-hat patterns garbage. Word. But nah, I kinda knew that already. The fill to thing, whatever, on FL Studio, but in a lot in FL Studio, like a lot. So today I'm gonna make a beat and I'm gonna explore with these hi-hat patterns. So y'all know me, first I like to do a little research, and then I like to test stuff out. So let's get to the video. Bah!
Take forever.
That peak enlightenment phase, they start incorporating that secret sauce with the hi-hats, and I'm going to show you all 3 levels of complexity.
Okay, so now that I watched the video, got a little bit of inspiration, it's time to get to this. Word. So let's see. Okay, not that. Perfect, I like that. But wait, that's how the loop sound. Now I'm about to go make the beat, so let me go do that. Word. Alright, cool. So I got the beat done. Fire. Word. This how it sound right now. Boom, boom, boom. Let me click here. Word, so that's how it sound. Now I'm about to do some hi-hat. We all know that I have that addiction of clicking this button right here, fill each 2 steps. We're not gonna do that today. Today, we just gonna go right into the piano roll and just get to it. Word. And we gonna zoom in. There is one thing that I learned, and it is click the. So it's basically like this. And you just do this. Word. I know it's the same thing, but it brings a different vibe, and I'm gonna show you how. So first I'm gonna start off with this, and I'm not just gonna keep it like that, but I am gonna play it to show you. So this has a little of a different vibe. Now you just hear how it's like a different bounce. Now, right? Boom. We know we could do that. Now we gotta switch it up somehow, right? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start taking some stuff out. So I took out this. And I'm not gonna take out that because it's gonna be a little repetitive, but I'm gonna take out this word and let's see. Alright, cool, a little subtle difference. I'm gonna need some, what you call that again? Dang. Oh, some hi-hat rolls. I don't know how I forgot the word roll. Yeah, so now I need hi-hat rolls. So I'm gonna take this one out and I'm gonna zoom in, word. And then I'm gonna bring it back to, well, I'm gonna move it to ×4. Basically, what I'm gonna do is click that, and oh, I forgot what it was. I think it's Command S. It's Command U. Boom. Now, all I gotta do is click Command U, and it chops it to that. And I'm gonna do that in a couple more places, like so. Let's see, what else can I do that at? What else can I do that at? Now we add in those little stutter steps, what I like to call it, and the hi-hat rolls. That's not enough. So now we need to do something a little bit more, because that's cool, but we want it cooler, you feel me? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drag it down. I also added another stop just because it sounded cool right there. So so let me turn it down a little bit. That's how you add stuff to it. Now I'm about to just go in and start adding stuff, because it's gonna take me like 20 minutes if I gotta stop and explain stuff, and I want y'all to get the information like that. Word. All right, cool. So I'm gonna put back my hoodie. That was kind of cozy. It was kind of cozy. But word, so basically all I did was add like a little bit more, but I want to explain why. So sweet, nah, but cool. I wanted to talk to you about the under hi-hats, so I'm gonna play it for you. So boom, under hi-hats. These kind of add like a little snary vibe with the hi-hats. It just creates like a different kind of I'm gonna show you now is the under hi-hats. I put hi-hats in lower octaves just to add more depth to the hi-hats. It kind of gives you a little snary vibe, but word. Then I have over here, I added this. Ooh, went a little too high. Where I added this. And basically what I did with these, let me highlight it so you can see what I'm talking about. So these, and if you can notice down here, boom, 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 I have the notes going from a high velocity to a low velocity, back to a high velocity. That's just to add a little bop to it, you know what I'm saying? And speaking of bop, you can play with it. Well, haha, I'm weak, play with it. But you can play with the hi-hat bounce simply by playing with the swing. But yeah, when you play with the swing of the beat, you can play with the bounciness of the hi-hats just because it adds more like of a human feel to it, you know what I'm saying? Altogether, this is how it sounds. Alright, cool. I hope y'all learned how to improve your hi-hats from that video. If you like, please make sure to leave a like, and if you don't, leave a comment down below to let me know how to grow. Word, it's the only way to prosper. And don't freeload, my boy. Yeah, talking to you. Sub up. Honestly, I make these videos like this to show you guys that I'm still learning too, even though I've been producing for a while. There's still a lot more to learn, and just because you don't know everything now, don't mean that you don't have the tools to make great beats. You can make a great beat with default plugins and simple sounds, you feel me? But now that you have the knowledge, go use it. Word. And hey, feel free to send me any beats that you want me to hear, that you learn how to make via my videos. Alright, y'all, I'ma let y'all go. Peace. I got this one. Yeah. I hope you don't hate me after I go. You were the one who made me. I hope you don't replace me after I go, 'cause you're the one who changed me. I hope